Hi friends, introducing about myself. My name is U Karthiban. I done my project in DTTC Limited, and I done my post graduation in Master of Business Administration in Marketing as well as Logistics, and I done my project in DTTC Limited, and my project title is a study on metalling handling operation in warehouse at DTTC Limited. My guide name is A.K. Subramaniam. Introduction of the studies. Material handling is a movement of storage, control, and protections of material goods and production throughout the process of manufacturing products through the process of manufacturing, distribution, and consumption and disposal of. They focus only on the method of mechanism and equipment systems are related to the control used to achieve this function. The material handling industry manufacturing and distributes equipments and service required to implement the metal handling systems. Metal handling systems covers the ranges from simple pallet racks, shelved projects to complex conveyor belts and automated storage related system. AS and RS metal handling can also consider as a starting packaging as well automated guide vehicle. And metal handling covers the movement and storage everything in the around of storage of everything in and around an establishment and ideal factory. You should have a absolute minimum of metal handling, hence more uses of mechanism appliances. Company profile. DTTC Cargo is a cargo limited. DTC has founded Mr. Subhash Chakrabarty in 1990. With the start of a span through this business association, the company expanded its delivery network across the country, thereby created by one of the Indian largest domestic delivery network. Today, DTTC is one of the largest Indian company in the express industry. DTTC can also accredited and pioneering a franchisee concept by the courier industry in India. Today, has the largest franchisee network in the country, and DTTC stand out among the express service provided in India. Because the mission goes beyond the commercial, we are committed to social development. Our business model is based on the cause of strong value system. DTTC is the number 122 Bangalore back in 1990. DTTC is the only direct employee and the employees and overseas operation major countries across the world. And objectives of study. Primary objectives. A study on metalling handling operation in warehouse at DTTC. And secondary objectives to study the existing material handling system available in DTTC Limited, to study the effectiveness of metal handling equipments available in DTTC, to find out the alternate method metal handling equipments to the improve the existing system, to give the feasible solution to the company about the improvements of metalling handling. Scope of the study to improve the efficiency productions systems, ensuring the right quantity and delivered at the right time to cut down the indirect labor cost, to reduce the damage of material during the storage and movement, to maximize the space utilization by proper storage of material and reduce the storage and handling cost, and to minimize the accident during the metal handling, to improve the customer services by supplying material and needs of studies. To study helps the company to know the drawbacks in the procedure provided can be also help to know about the satisfaction of the employees. By getting this necessary detail, the company should try fulfill the gaps to occur the drawback, so that the company may fill the needs and wanted employees, and also help to find out whether there is a need of a new equipment strengths, a training facility or the more benefits for the employee for material handling. Limitations of study. The company can only give some limited information to the project. The study was not universal, it was confined to the activities at DTTC Limited. A continuation of verification and clarification of project related queries were possibly but only one to certain extent. A constant methodology could be adapted due to the variance in the project analysis. Due to the fact the project research was daily based by service sector in a company. Research methodology, overview methodology. Type of research, descriptive research. Type of data, primary data and secondary data. Data collection method, survey method. Data collection instruments, structured questionnaires. Sampling techniques, sample random sampling techniques. Population size 150, sample size 50. Research instrument, questionnaires and contact method is by direct contact. Data analysis and interpretations, percentage analysis. Rate overall satisfaction towards the warehouse and percentage and operation in DTDC. And it is a chi-square says hypothesis. There is no association between overall satisfaction and level satisfaction in warehouse in service. And it is a notes of a hypothesis, and the p-value is less than 0.01. The null hypothesis is rejected at 1. The percentage level has significance. And findings. It is found that the most of the employees are age groups of below and followed by 25 to 35. From the survey, the most of the employees are satisfied at that the forklifter is frequently used, and very few respondents and said that the problem of faced in handling metal is wanted of transport. Most of the employees are satisfied with the executing material. More than 50 of the employees said that the executing method handling system is effective. Majority of the employees says that satisfied at, and majority of employees says that they are satisfied with the currently used. Very few economics preferred ordered picked by the requirement of metal handling. Majority of the employees are preferred that they are agreeing with the implementation of alternative method. It is found that the most of the employees prefer the 2 mm rack distance could be effective for the equipment. Majority of the employees prefer that the current racking system suit the tire system. Majority of employees say that they are agreeing with the implementation of new racking systems. And suggestions. The company should have to rectify the troubles which are faced by the employees in the equipment. The current material handling should be more improved for the effective. The current material method should be improved with the equipment. The management should have a implementation and alternating some methods. The organization must be conducted the training program for the metal handler to increase the effectiveness to avoid the accidents. And conclusion. In my study, the metal handling operation in warehouse at DTDC, we concluded the following. Most of the employees are satisfied with the executive method of storing the material. They are satisfied with the equipments currently used. As I also agree with the implementation of alternative methods in material handling, implementation of new racking system with the new technology. Only forklift, very few material handling DTDC were compared to others. It was found that the company was very good image in employment. Questionnaire: name, departments and age. What type of material handling available in a company? How much time is take to load and unload the material? Lesson: how much time take to the load and unload to 2 tons of manually? And a service offered by DTDC in warehouse: shipment pickup, packaging service, system enables tracking, online inventory monitoring and order selection facility, identification of items in a warehouse, satisfied and security of material handling. Are you satisfied with the executing method of storage material adapted in DTDC? How do you rate certified in service? Problem in metal handling systems: waiting for time for dock, loading and unloading time, accident during loading and unloading time, damages during loading and unloading in operations, damages during storage of material, privilege, theft in storage, loading and unloading of transportation. How do you access the safety in handling? How do you access the metal handling quickness? How do you rate the tooling handling quickness? Do you agree with the implementation of alternative method in metal handling? What track distance could be effective for the equipment movement 1.0 mm, 1.2 mm, 1.52 mm? Are you interested to adopt a new technology ranking system? Are you interested to adapt a new tagline in a system? How much extra height should be increased in each racking for reduced for the area method for storage? How do you access the safety metal handling equipment? What do you consider to be largest problem? And final, what improvement could be suggested? Moreover, and other information. Thank you for watching this video.